In this presentation, we will discuss the deduction of auto expense for a small business, for a Schedule C business, for a sole proprietor. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. When thinking about the deduction for the auto for a business, for a small business, we need to consider whether or not the auto is used completely for business or for business and personal use. And then we have a few different considerations in terms of the type of calculation we can have for the automobile expense. The easiest type of calculation is the standard mileage rate. So we can determine how many miles we drove, and the IRS gives us a standard rate then that we can apply in order to calculate the auto expense. And so this is going to be the easiest method typically to use. The current rate, 54.5 cents per mile for 2018. Remember that this doesn't include the commute. This is going to be not including the commute business only miles that we have. We can also have the actual expenses where we would then calculate what those actual expenses are. Actual expenses would include the cost of the car, but then we would, of course, have to put the car on the books and depreciate it. So you can see that's going to be taking a lot more work or a lot more recording on the books to depreciate the car. Make sure we get the limitations correct on the depreciation. And then any costs that we have tracking the actual expenses that we have for things like gas, oil changes, maintenance on the car. Now, the actual expenses oftentimes provides a larger deduction than taking the standard mileage rate, but it can be more complex to calculate the actual expenses, and the mileage rate is, of course, much easier to apply for most people. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.